What if I told you that most investors lose their money not because of bad luck, but because of one simple mistakes? Hi, I am Sanjeev Kumar, your stock market coach. Welcome to your own channel, Invest with Sanjeev KMRBGP. Today, I am going to deep dive about some companies that are more than 80% down. So, some investor may lose their capital in that company. So I'm going to disclose you or share you one strategy so that you can save your money. Just I'm sharing the TradingView website and screener.in website. And also I will give you the name of 45 companies today. Yes. This is Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy. Suzlon Energy made all-time high in 2008. Price was 411 rupees. And in 2019 or 20, price was 1 rupees 72 paise. Okay. Another company. Let's see. Adani Total Gas. Adani Total Gas. Adani Total Gas made all-time high in Jan 2023, approx 4,000. Now share price is 605. It is 84% down. So most people ignore the strategy, and that is the exactly why they lose money. But today you will be different. If you are enjoying, please press the like button. Now move to another company, Adani Energy Solution. Adani Energy Solution. All-time high in October 2022, and it is down more than 80%. It is down. So you did not come here by accident. Something brought you here. And that means you are ready to level up your investing game. Please share this video to all your friends. Reliance Infra. Reliance Infra. Reliance Infra all-time high was in 2008, more than 2000. And in 2020, the share price was approximately 11 rupees. Now the share price is 314. Next share, Bandhan Bank. How can we forget Bandhan Bank? Bandhan Bank. Just see the chart. All-time high, 713. Now the share price is 139. So the one thing is common in every stocks, and that is it is below to EMA 21. So if you have a strategy for buying, for selecting stock, for finding the fundamentally strong company, when to add the tranche, then you will not be in the same position. The same way you must have the exit strategy, and I always use EMA 21, and I always share to you in almost all video that you need to exit when the share price goes below to EMA 21. So if like if you are holding Bandhan Bank, okay, and you bought at the share price 670 rupees, 600 or any price. And if you exit below EMA 21, it means 500 rupees, then you will lose a small percentage of your capital. But if you are not following the proper system, some people buy on dip. It if it goes down, they buy more tranche. So if you follow this strategy, then you will lose your big capital in this way. So this is the strategy you need to follow, exit strategy, and that is very simple. You need to exit when share price goes below to EMA 21. So if you are really serious and if you want to learn from me, please call me. My mobile number is in description box. Again, I am sharing the screener website, and you can take the screenshot so that you will have the list of 45 companies. You can take the screenshot from here. 1 to 14, these all are less than for 80%. It is down, 80% down. 15 to 26 companies. 38 now remaining. Thank you so much for watching this video.